In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure email on Freshsales Crm. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Freshsales CRM account in your web browser. You will be working from your personal account settings, so it helps to be on the main Freshsales screen before you begin. First, go to the top right corner of the page and select your profile picture or profile icon. This opens a small menu with account options. From that menu, click Personal Settings. This is where Freshsales keeps preferences that apply to your individual user account, including email connections. Once you are in Personal Settings, look for the area related to email. Depending on your Freshsales layout, it may be labeled Connect Your Email, or it may appear as Email Settings. Click that tab to open the email connection options. This section is used to link your mailbox so you can send, receive, and track email activity directly inside Freshsales. Next, you will choose your email provider. In this guide, we are connecting Gmail, so click the Gmail button. Freshsales will then redirect you to a Google sign-in and permission screen. Now it is time to authenticate your account. Select the Google account you want to connect. If you are already signed in to Google in your browser, you may simply choose the account from the list. If not, you will be prompted to sign in. Follow the on-screen prompts and grant Freshsales the requested permissions. These permissions allow Freshsales to access your email so it can sync messages and support features like email logging and tracking within the CRM. Take your time here and make sure you are connecting the correct mailbox for your work. After authentication is complete, you will be returned to Freshsales to choose your sync settings. Select Two-Way Sync. This option syncs both sent and received emails, which is ideal if you want a complete email history available in Freshsales. Once you select Two-Way Sync, your setup is complete. Give the system a moment to begin syncing, especially if your mailbox is large. You are now ready to use email inside Freshsales with your connected Gmail account. And that covers everything you need to know.